Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video on my YouTube channel Mr. B Does Electronics. So ring lights, we have all heard about it, we have all seen it, be it online or offline in many shops. But one thing that I noticed that first of all the good ones are really costly, and second of all most of them are limited to, let's say, a warm white or a cold white. So I thought, why not build one with RGB capability so that you can dial in warm white or cool white or any other color according to your needs. So that is why I made this one. This is acting just like a prototype. As you can see, it is quite bright and it will actually overexpose my camera right now. And there are dials on the back to change the colors and everything. Now it is green if it is visible, now it is yellow. So I hope that intrigued your interest. If so, continue watching this video and I will show you all the tips and bits and all the parts that are required to build this one so that you can build one for yourself and use it.
So now let's focus on the components and the parts that are required. So as you can see, it looks like this. There are three potentiometers, as you can see over here, for the three primary colors, that is red, green and blue, and each of these potentiometers control each of those primary colors. By changing the potentiometer values of these primary colors, you can mix and match and make other hues. And inside this plastic case, as I'm showing here right now, is the Arduino Nano and the 18650 lithium-ion high-density battery with the TP4056 battery charging and protection circuit. And up front, this is the 16-bit or the 16WS2812B addressable LED ring, which is basically the heart of this whole project. And this is where the customizable part of this project comes into play. There are different types of the WS2812B rings like these available of different sizes. Even there are bigger ones where there are 4 pieces and you have to solder them together to make a large ring. And this is the clip arrangement that I'm using from those smartphone camera lenses so that we can fix it onto our smartphone. And this is the on-off switch. So this little gadget or a device, whatever you want to call it, is in no way a complete product or a finished product. This is serving as a prototype so that I can show you how it can be built and what can be done with it. So this is just a proof of concept. You are always welcome to improve upon the basic design that I'm showing here right now. So in this video, I'll be setting a goal for all my awesome viewers and subscribers for at least 100 likes. And if we reach it, I will release the code and the diagrams. Okay, so this is an ordinary smartphone. This is my smartphone, and this is the ring light, and this is how it will attach to any smartphone or any kind of tablet or any camera, whatever you want to attach to it. And this is how it slides on top, and due to the cutout in the middle, the camera is still accessible, so it serves as any other professional ring light. And this is how we turn it on, and it is rather bright, and due to which my camera is adjusting the exposure. So let me just adjust the knobs of the potentiometers on the back, and now it is showing yellow and now green. In this way you can mix and match different hues to get different colors. It's up to your imagination, whatever combination you put into it, and it will show you. So that is the beauty of this DIY ring light compared to other commercially available ones. And now it's showing blue. So this is the cool white. You can also make it warm white, which is ordinarily available in the commercial ones also. And due to the high density lithium ion battery inside, it lasts for ages. And this is how it looks from the side. It looks rather bulky, but as I already explained, this is serving as a prototype. So this is the whole gadget or device, whatever you want to call it, and it is a finished product. And next I will just share some of my sample selfies with this ring light in different colors or modes, whatever you want to call it.
So I hope all of you really enjoyed this video, and if so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The key light that is coming right on my face is from the ring light that I showed in this video. Quite a beautiful little device and quite useful too. So watch the whole video so that you can learn how you can build this and how you can make it on your own. I have already told earlier part of my video that in this particular video I am targeting 100 likes from all of you awesome people. I know a subscriber can make it happen. So, and if we reach the target, as soon as we reach the target, I'll release my code and my circuit diagram in the description. The link will get updated, and these two are teasers for the next videos that are upcoming. So subscribe not to miss them. And with that, I'm ending this video. Catch you on the next.